This is the video tutorial that will provide you with help to get rid of the pop-up windows related to the site Rprldnwsq3.xyz. So, this is a dangerous site targeting Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on Allow button, but if you click on Allow, that is definitely a mistake. This may hijack the browser with plenty of disgusting ads. To remove these ads, access the menu, go down to Settings. In the left area of the Settings window, you need to click on Privacy and Security. So Settings, then in the left area, click on Privacy and Security. Then click on Site Settings, and then in Permissions, you need to select Notifications. So when the settings window finally gets loaded, in the left part of the settings window, click on Privacy and Security. Then in the Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, and in Permissions, choose Notifications. So Site Settings, then Permissions, and then click on Notifications. So now you need to research all the sites allowed to send notifications and remove any junk sites. Finally, I recommend you to carefully research the computer with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the website, which is combocleaner.com. So download the program through the site combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the site combocleaner.com, will help you to effectively detect and then eliminate all other threats which might still possibly stealthily remain on your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.